Alright, we're gonna start by opening, this is hard, by opening up these tortillas, because everyone knows I like tortillas. And then we're gonna get some peanut butter, because that's not gonna work. It's chunky. I forgot about that. I love chunky peanut butter, but it does make a problem. Wow, look at this action shot of peanut butter being spread. I'm real good at recording. Just want a lot of peanut butter. Ow! I just hit my toe. Lady, how are you doing? I'm gonna get peanut butter on something other than the tortilla. This is a terrible idea. I'm not even gonna send anyone this video because this sucks. It's really hard to do this while recording. So, ow, that didn't hurt. I don't know why I'm complaining. A bit of a problem all the time. That's good enough. So now we close the peanut butter. That's good enough for now. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is get another plate and put it here. Then we're gonna open this bag of chips. We're gonna open it. Imagine my mom comes in right now. And we're just gonna, oops. We're gonna smash it with our hands because we're very clean like that. Lady, do you want a chip? Feed the dog while you're at it. She'll like you more. This really hurts, but sometimes pain is okay. Because it'll hopefully make good food. You want to eat that too, lady? Not that drip of water, because that's bad. Wow, a lot of salt. Alright, what we're gonna do next, I've started playing music because I like music now, is we're going to put this on here. This feels gross. I don't think I have enough chips. Get out of here. Apparently not all of these are smashed up enough. Enough. I'm getting peanut butter on my hands, but it'll all be worth it. Because I'm hungry. Okay, the music's a little loud, but it's okay. That should be good. Always wash your hands. That's not really washing my hands, I just wanted the salt off. Okay, so what's next? Okay, so after some really traumatic events that just happened, we're gonna just move on to the next thing. Thank you, napkins, for always cooperating so well. Okay, we're gonna turn this upside down. Wait, I should play like... Wait, this isn't gonna work. let's just, there we go. Okay, now we are going to put on this jelly, which is on the tortilla. I'm such a problem. Okay. I think Lady just really hates me at this point. I am becoming a problem. Does anyone know what I'm making? Because I don't. It looks... it doesn't really cover everything, but it looks pretty good. Thank you, Gretchen. Ugh. Come on. There we go. Okay. So now we're just gonna add some honey to it because I just really like honey. Turn the freaking music up. Hold on. There we go. Come on, honey. There's now honey on my foot. I'm such a problem. Come on! Okay, fine. Only a little bit of honey then. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm going at this point, so we're just gonna cut up one of these knot sausages from this morning. Because for some reason my mom wanted a veggie sausage. I don't even like pig meat, but whatever. Okay, this is really hard to do. I need a different knife, not a butter knife. Here's another shot of Lady because that's the only interesting thing. Okay. Right. I really approve of bear over meat, so we're gonna just continue to listen to her. Ow. This is really hard. It's been sitting out for a while. Let's just put some of the... We're like... I was supposed to be making like sushi, but without... Like a I don't know. I'm just a problem. Please don't. 'Cause that's not me. It's supposed to be a sushi, but made out of like peanut butter and jelly type things. And it turned into this. I think that's good. I think that that's a problem. I really want to add popcorn, but that's just really stupid. I'm not going to do it. I think this is it. Alright, I guess now we're gonna try to make it. This doesn't work with the camera. Okay. Wait, I did something. Well, that's good. I really like peanut butter sometimes. You know what? Yeah. Okay, no more camera. Okay, so I gave up on cutting, but this one looks kind of good. So I'm gonna try it. Oh no. I'm a thing of jelly. Oh my god, this is so good. That's delicious. No more jelly. Wait, that's really good. Even the weird veggie meat is like really oddly good. I didn't know if these chips were gonna work. I know this is technically just like peanut butter and jelly, but like it looks cool and, you know, tastes good, and it's got chips on it. That's pretty good. The meat honestly doesn't taste that bad in there, which really confuses me because I was only putting it in there so I'd have like some kind of diversity. What do you think, lady? You think I just fell over? You don't get any. That's my hand. No. Love you. I mean, I guess I love my friends as well. Alright, lady. Do you want any? I think you have a chip on your back. Come here. Thank you. Okay, do you want a little bit of this? No, that's too much. I'll eat a little bit more and then I'll give it to you, okay, lady? Okay. I'm sorry. Are you good? Lady, is it good? No, you don't get that. There's a little bit of jelly on the floor. Thank you.